A major UK retailer manages a large estate of stores spread across towns and cities. Keeping track of the condition of these buildings can be difficult, especially when teams need to understand issues quickly and reduce time spent on the road. They needed a clearer way to review locations without carrying out frequent site visits, and a way for staff to work from the same view whether they were in the field or in the office. To support this, the retailer looked for a reliable source of current imagery that showed each store as it exists today. They also wanted a platform where information could be accessed easily by many users at once, allowing maintenance teams, planners, and property managers to review the same content when making decisions. This included the ability to search locations, annotate findings, and prepare material for reports. Getmapping provided a solution that gave the retailer immediate access to high-resolution aerial imagery through the GSaaS platform. The data offered a clear top-down view of each store, showing rooftops and surrounding areas in detail. Teams could use this to understand layout, check visible features, and carry out early assessments before sending staff on site. The platform made it possible to search for individual stores and view their condition from any internet-capable device. While working on location, teams could record observations directly on the imagery and pass them to colleagues for follow-up. This created a shared understanding of each site and allowed the retailer to respond to issues sooner and in a more coordinated way. The ability to annotate, measure, and save information helped the retailer keep track of roof condition, identify changes, and manage potential hazards. It also supported planning for new stores by giving teams a reliable record of the surrounding environment without waiting for survey work to be carried out. By using Getmapping's imagery and GSaaS platform, the retailer gained a dependable way to understand their estate and avoid unnecessary trips to site. The approach created more efficient workflows and supported decisions with current and consistent information. It also allowed teams to work from a single view, helping them manage buildings more effectively and maintain control across a wide range of locations. To explore how aerial imagery can support store assessment, asset management, or early planning activity, contact Getmapping to learn more.